Hey y'all, so life is a goddamn chaotic mess, isn't it? And flying is a special kind of hell. But I made this little print, and that chaos shrank a little. Have you ever wanted to bring your laptop with you to game on a long flight, but you're worried about your gear getting crushed? I did, and I couldn't find a single travel accessory bag that would fit my stuff just right. I needed something for my Xbox controller, my gaming mouse, my stylus, and my charger, and it all had to fit perfectly inside my backpack. So I decided to do what any sane person would do. I used my 3D printer to make my own damn 3D printed travel case. This project took me about 2 days to print. I used white and light gray PETG with glass fiber because this thing needed to be rugged enough to survive being kicked under a plane seat. The interior was printed in flexible gray TPU to cushion everything. You'll notice my gear takes up a decent amount of space, which is why a large printer like my GD X Max 3 was needed to get this done in one go. And I know not everyone has a sugar mama like I do to buy a printer this big. That's where JLC 3DP comes in. They're an on-demand 3D printing service that can print pretty much anything you can dream up. Just head to their website, upload your file, and you'll get an instant quote. And you don't have to be a professional designer either. You can just grab a file from sites like Printables and upload it directly. They even let you choose from exotic materials like resins for high detail prints, and even metal. Think about that. You can get a metal part made without having to spend a fortune on a metal 3D printer. So if you're looking to replicate this project, or any of my other projects that require a big, expensive 3D printer, JLC 3DP can help you get the job done. Plus, you can get a first-time customer discount and other discount codes if you use the links down below. Thank you JLC 3DP for sponsoring my video. You can bet that some future videos will feature 3D prints, CNC parts, and even custom PCBs from all of JLC's services. Now that's what I call a win-win. Now, back to the build. I used a parametric file I found on Printables by the user the same name twice. The beauty of this is that I just had to tweak a few values in my CAD program to get the perfect size for my stuff. I'll make sure to link the original files down below. I printed the main container and lid in white PETG glass fiber for strength and high visibility. I didn't want to lose this thing in a dark airplane cabin. The hinges, crossbars, and clasps were printed in gray for a nice aesthetic contrast. Assembly was easy, and I used 1.75mm filament as pins to hold it all together. To design the organizer, I scanned my peripherals to get their exact footprint and then used that image to sketch out the pockets in my CAD software. I printed the final part with flexible TPU to make sure everything was nice and snug. Now, when I designed this container, I didn't know about tooltrace.ai, which is a service that can automatically trace for you. I would probably go that route if I were to do it again. With the travel organizer complete, it was time for the ultimate test. A 17-hour flight with a layover and a 4-hour road trip. I was a little worried about having to pull it out for security, but the TSA agents didn't even bat an eye. I was really glad I had this single container instead of multiple pouches. Trying to dig through a backpack for multiple items in a cramped economy seat is a special kind of hell. I learned a few things too. I gave my gear a little too much breathing room, so they shifted around. But I had a solution for that. I designed and printed soft TPU pillars that I then glued to the lid. Now I can shake this thing all I want and nothing inside shifts. The case made my trip so much better. I spent the time on the plane playing a little Skyrim and Cyberpunk with my controller. Suffice to say, I was not bored. This project was a total success. It made a long, miserable travel day so much better, and my gear came home safe and sound. It's a perfect example of why owning a 3D printer is so awesome. You can't find what you want in a store, so you just make it yourself. Drop a comment and let me know what essential gaming gear would you bring on a trip. And if you want to see what's next in this travel series, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon.